Hey everybody, this is Max Farrell from DexTrader.com and welcome to the Chart Chaser series. In this module, we're going to discuss the very first chart we're going to kind of discuss is Dex Data Charts. I don't even know if I have that on my system anymore. Let's see. Dex Data Charts. Yeah, it does. It works. I was in radio, right? Okay, so here's the thing. Dex Data Charts is a very powerful system that we created here at Dex. That's right. This is our own system, our own data, our own chart, our own support and resistance, and Dex MACD indicator from dexindicators.net that's been applied to a web-based platform. How cool is that, right? Now, several months ago, almost about a year now, oh my God, time is flying, that we created this process because we couldn't find a company to give us good data that we could see and work with and know that was real, okay? Because too many companies hold back some of their information from the banks and do all these, they're in bed with everybody, right? So we found a uncorrupted source of data, but then we couldn't find the company to help us integrate our own indicators into them without giving the proprietary system away of the support and resistance or Dex data. We tried TraderView, we tried all these other, liquid asset, liquid data, all these other places, and nobody would give us an opportunity to help us build one. So we had to kind of bury our nose in some really overwhelming books and find out how to make it ourselves, and we did. And when we made this system, we knew we only needed a few things. Now, Dex Data Charts itself, the platform, we created to be very, very simple to use. Okay, nice and easy, click and drag, but also the data itself is very important. In most cases, you'll have data that is time sensitive, so it's per tick. So every micro tick that the market moves, you'll see an adjustment on the chart, right? That's most data. TradingView, MT4, all these great systems that are out there. But in our case, we really didn't need to have per tick data. At the least, we needed to have per minute data. And that was important to us because for our 5-minute MDM series, I was just adjusting the series by the previous 5 minutes and its movement and its immersion and its time immersion and price immersion and all those things. I didn't have to worry about having per tick data. We weren't scalping out. We weren't doing any of that. So the good thing is that we use this process here just to give us an overview of what the market looks like and is it trending, what support and resistance lines it working with, where are we at with the Dex MACD. These things are very important. The timing, the price, all these things, okay? And the functionality of the process, is it usable? Can we see and remove a couple of the things on here that we wanted to remove? Let me get the MRs out of here, just like that, so we can have a nice clean chart. And we can make it of several different time frames. We wanted to be able to do that and have it to where it was nice and easy to see and easy on the eyes, right? We wanted to be able to flip through the 10 most available pairs without having all the crazy stuff. Now, one of the things is, what would you use Dex Data Charts for? And this is a great question because remember, I'm not saying use Dex Data Charts for everything, okay? If you're a 5-minute trader, you already have access to Dex Data Charts inside the series, okay? Inside the 5 minutes MDM series has a WB Dex Data Chart with a 5-minute system on it, okay? So that's already there. But there's also one that will be used for our New Trader's Mind series that we're developing. So there's one there. You would also only use Dex Data Charts if you were trading online and trading the dailies, the intradays. You could do the intradays if you're not going to be scalping, you're going to set and forget kind of process, or you would take it down to the 1-minute chart to see as close to the end of charting as possible, okay, of movement of chart, of movement of market, I should say. Okay, so that's pretty important to know. Which value will you be doing? Which type of trades would you be doing in this market using this particular type of charting? Okay. Also, if you really, really liked the support and resistance system, but hated MetaTrader, yeah, this is the one you would use. Okay, because you could easily have this system with all the with the 2 major indicators that we have, that is very powerful. Okay, so if you're a paid member, you have access to this, and this is something huge for you because you get an opportunity to use these support and resistance and the Dex MACD for our signals that our system is designed for. Okay, all right. So that's basically it. Now let's just go down in the next video. We'll kind of discuss how to use all the things that I was just showing you, and then maybe some advanced techniques. How do we use this with our signals and that process? Okay, so later on in this series for this module, we'll start showing you a little bit more about the strategy and applying some other features and looking at some of the other things here that kind of give us a telltale of when to get in and when to get out of particular signals. All right, I'm Max. This is Dex. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. As always, trade well.